Here's outline. I will separate my topic, my presentation into four categories. One is regarding the related to the solver capability, and second is process pre-process, and the regarding the mesh integration tools. And third, I'm going to introduce the project management enhancements and the usability of enhancements as well. And last, I will introduce the new molding innovation regarding compression molding and forming.